North Metal Hose was located in Qinhuangdao, Hebei Province, China, covering 80,000 square meters. It is dedicated to the research, development and production of metallic expansion joint, fabric expansion joint, two-year stock assembly, Teflon-lined expansion joint and flexible metal hose. Top brand in the industry. The products are widely used in internationally renowned companies in metallurgy, petrochemical, power, energy, refining, construction, cement, heat supply, fire control and environmental protection industry. 5,500 cubic meter blast furnace in Shugong Group, 5,100 cubic meter blast furnace in Shandong Steel, 5,870 and 4,300 cubic meter blast furnace in Tata KPO, 5,358 and 4,323 cubic meter blast furnace in JSW Dovi, 4,300 cubic meter blast furnace in Formosa Hartin, Gaomont Refinery, Jilin Petrochemical Company, Liaoyang Petrochemical Company, Ningxiang Baofeng Energy Group, Zhejiang Petrochemical Company, CNPC, China National Petroleum Corporation, Sinopec and other refining and chemical industries. North Metal Hose products are exported to many countries like UK, Poland, Serbia, Turkey, Germany, Malaysia, India, Vietnam, Taiwan, Indonesia, Thailand and Pakistan, etc. Focus on quality, embracing the world. The workshop of North Metal Hose has various kinds of bellows forming machine that can produce bellows up to 15 meters in diameter. In addition, there are more than 500 sets of equipments for production and testing, like CNC cutting machine, metal roll round machine, automatic welder, heat treatment furnace, corrugated hose hydraulic forming machine, wire braided machine, etc. 16 metal hose production lines can produce hoses up to 1 meter in diameter. Annual production capacity 150,000 sets bellow expansion joint, 3,000 sets 2-year stock assembly, 3.5 million meters of metal hose. North Metal Hose are certified by international standards and work safety systems, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSAS 18001, and also obtained manufacturer license of special equipment of TS, ASME U and U2 stamp certification, America ABS and Europe CE certification. North Metal Hose is dedicated to providing highest quality products and services, backed with a complete guarantee, with one of the most comprehensive quality assurance programs in the industry. The products are inspected and evaluated extensively through each stage of production. All types of non-destructive testing can be done in-house, such as UT, RT, PT, MT, etc., and recheck of raw material, pneumatic leak testing, hydraulic pressure testing, painting testing will be done on all products. All inspectors are certificated. North Metal Hose, known for its strong R&D and manufacturing capacity, has been commissioned by the government to build Provincial Engineering R&D Center of Metallic Bellows Expansion Joint and Metal Hose. Through CAESARII and ANSYS software, offer mechanical analysis of pipeline system for main metallurgical and petrochemical projects. North Metal Hose has solved many major problems in pipeline projects for customers, and North engineers have published more than 30 academic papers and won 40 invention patents in the industry. Excellence. Keep moving. North Metal Hose aims to be the world's best manufacturer of expansion joint and flexible metal hose. to deliver better life for all.